What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm gonna have 25 of my roller skating friends tell you why roller skating is so awesome. Ever wondered why roller skating rocks so much? Well, hopefully these 25 answers will help you.
Hi, I'm Evelyn, also known as @EvelynIvy. How is the internet? @Evelyn.Ivy, 2 Ys. Anyways, I'm Evelyn, and the reason I love roller skating is for that feel-good feeling that when you unlock something. And that's just currently my favorite thing, you know? You can ask me next week and it'll probably change.
Okay, so why I love roller skating. So I used to do ballet for like 2 years on point, messed up my ankles. Then I started roller skating last year in February and I fell in love with it. So I like hyper fixated on it, and like now I probably have like 3 or 4 more skates than I don't need, but I absolutely love it.
Awesome. And what's your handle so people can find you?
Oh, my handle, actually I do cosplay, so if you like costumes and shit, it's Milk Tea Hime with 2 L's.
So my name's Georgie, and it's Steals the Sun, and this is where the lesbians are.
Hello, my name is Natalie, handle Curvy Purr. This is my friend Sarah, Sarita.
Hey, what's up?
What's your handle?
Westside Sarita.
And I roller skate. I love roller skating because, one, it reminds me a lot of my childhood. Shouts out to my mom for teaching me how to skate. I actually learned on inlines. And you just always learn something new, just like you do in life. You fall, you get back up, and you just, you fail to succeed. It's a great life lesson.
Hey everybody, I'm Sarita, Westside Sarita on IG, and I love roller skating. I love rollerblading because it makes me feel free. It makes me feel free. It teaches me to just fall and get right back up and to be able to try new things because that's what life is all about.
My name is Gabby Shy. My handle is Gabriella Shy. I love roller skating because it created this huge, awesome community that I'm now involved in, and it just feels so great to meet so many people that are interested in the same thing as you, to say the least. But made so many great friends, and I think my favorite part also is feeling so free when you're skating. It's great.
Hi, my name is Bubba, and my Instagram is BubbaDZ1, and I like roller skating because people can't judge you because you have the right to ride your skates if you want. No one can make you stop.
Hi, I am Ivy, also known as Spicy Ivy on Instagram, and I love roller skating because, well, for starters, it's been in my life for longer than just about anything else that has been in my life, so I can't really imagine my life without it, and it really is the only thing that makes me feel free and positive all the time, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Gracie, Instagram Illy Gracie, and the reason why I like roller skating is because I've learned a lot about my body that I didn't know before, so yeah.
I'm Yana Marquez at Yana Marquez with a K on Instagram, and I love roller skating because it helps me meet so many people. During quarantine, never went outside. Now I go outside, so I love it. It's so fun.
Okay, hi, my name is Mary Jane, and my Instagram is VirdieJane1. I like roller skating because like I love the community, and like there's like no limits to skating either, so.
Hey, this is Jasmine. My handle is This One's For Your Skaters, and I work at 5 Stride Skate Shop in Brooklyn. I love skating because of the community and that everyone is accepted no matter their identity or level of skating.
Okay. Hi, this is Juanita Gallego. My Instagram is JUANIBUNNY, which is Juani Bunny. And I love roller skating because it encourages you to leave the fear behind and just trust yourself and your body, and it frees your mind in a way.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Jude, Instagram, JAZMIN.Jude, JUDE, and I like roller skating because it makes me feel free. And it also, I started roller skating at like a really like hard time in my life, so a lot of like breakup and loss. So I like it because I have a lot of like inner aggression I want to like release. So roller skating helps me do that. So yeah.
I love roller skating because it helps me to connect with my body in a way that I never connected with my body before, and it helped me to find a community that I didn't even know existed and now makes up like my very most important, amazing people in my life. And honestly, roller skating has changed my life, and I think it could change yours too.
Hey, queer girl straight skates. What's up? My name is Michelle Starlin. My handle is Estrojan. And I love roller skating because it really makes me feel popped out of society.
I'm Lily, and my Instagram is LilyRSkates. And the reason I love roller skating so much is because I really like being in the air, and I love doing airs and inverts, and I really like I used to skateboard, and I really like the feeling of skating and like going fast around the bowl or a vert ramp. And I really like the thought of like roller skating at a skate park. I think it's different.
Hey, I'm Rebecca. My handle is BeccaBay_, and I love roller skating because it gets me outside or even inside, moving around my body, and just the feeling of flying around even a bowl or just the street is awesome. I love it.
Hello, my name is Sydney, aka Squidney. My Instagram is Squidney3_13. And I love roller skating because I would say I'm a wildly unconfident person, and roller skating makes me feel like I can tackle the world. I'm like the baddest bitch out there, and it's amazing.
Hi, my name is Nari. My Instagram handle is @NariJKim. The reason I love roller skating, there's a lot of reasons, but I'll try to narrow it down to a couple. The community, ever since the pandemic, you know, there wasn't a lot to do, and we were losing almost like a sense of like socializing and like a way to hang out with friends. And so this is a good way to keep up with that, especially for an outdoors type of event. So there's one, and then the other is I just like to do a lot of physical activity, and I feel like it's a good like stress reliever. I used to also play, or I still play Japanese drums, and I think that's another way to like just let out some stress, but also like be very mobile, and to keep mobile is to keep alive, you know. So
what's up? My name's Kayla. My Instagram is Little Space Cowgirl. And why do I love roller skating? I like it because it pushes me, it connects me with my body, and it's like a form of meditation. And it's also very social.
My name's Shav, and roller skating means freedom and a great sense of community.
My name's Ash Valentine, @TatsandAsh. And I love roller skating because I get to express my body in a creative way.
Hi, my name is Kelly. My handle is Skin2Concrete on Instagram, and I love roller skating because I get to hang out with my friends when I do it, and it helps me with my anxiety.
Hi, my name is Sora. My handle is @SoraSupernova, and I love roller skating because it just makes me feel free, and I get to enjoy music and time with my friends.
Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support me and support this channel, go ahead and go on over to cheerstothequeers.com, because there's all sorts of really cool stuff there that you should get, and it's awesome, and go now. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!